Pinadagdag kita ng ADL kasi yung likod I can only rate up to 3 vehicles. Ngayon, ang application mo, kung nakikita mo 5. So, yung A mo, that is for motorcycle. So, nagmamotor ka. Itong A1 ay para sa motorsiklo na may sidecar. So, marunong mag-drive ng, let's say, payong-payong. Meron ka ring B, light passenger vehicles ito, na up to 5,000 kilograms, pero 8-seater siya. Ibig sabihin, ang passenger capacity niya is up to 8 only. So, kotse, multicab, minivan, pickup, and SUV. Pasok dyan. Ha? Yung B1 naman, yan ay para sa light passenger cars pa rin or vehicles na up to 5,000 kilograms pa rin ang gross vehicle weight. Pero eto na yung sobra ng 8, yung passenger capacity, katulad ng commuter van, L300, yung Town Ace na pinapamasada, or yung multicab na jeepney type, nasa 10 hanggang 14 yung pwedeng passenger capacity niya. At itong B2, ito yung light commercial vehicles. 6-wheeled vehicle na up to 3,500 kilograms ang gross vehicle weight na pwedeng cargo and pwedeng passenger.